Okay, good morning children.
Good morning, sir.
Today our activity is liberation of hydrogen gas. So identification of the gas involved during the chemical reaction. So for this, we have to take some zinc granules now. Okay? So zinc granules is taken in a conical flask. Okay? Conical flask lo zinc granules is called. So for this you add a sufficient amount of the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid add here. So what happens if you observe the reaction is occurs. So fumes are kuda evolved avadam jarigindi. So this is indicate the liberation of hydrogen gas. So how do you test the hydrogen gas? Just you bring the burning matchstick near to the mouth of the conical flask. It gives the pop sound. So just you observe.